Runhe Hydraulic Machinery Co., Ltd. is a subsidiary of Hanju Technology Group Company, specializing in the production of hydraulic cylinders. We are also one of the most recognized suppliers of large OEM equipment manufacturers in the domestic hydraulic industry. With more than 12 years of industry experience, our professional team focuses on the research, manufacturing and sales of hydraulic cylinders, and constantly improves our product structure and functions to meet the diverse needs of our customers. In addition to the standard series of hydraulic cylinders, we can also provide customized services. We can fully customize special hydraulic cylinders according to customer requirements. We are willing to make friends with customers from all over the world.